Yo, my name is Patrick and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice and mindful test prep. Coming at you today with a PSAT math question. Woohoo! This was question 9 from section 3, the calculator-free math section, from the PSAT that was administered on Wednesday, November 2nd, 2016. Pause the video. No, seriously, why don't you pause it, take a crack at it yourself, and then when you're done you can unpause the video and watch the explanation. See if we agree or don't. I hope we agree. I don't want to fight. But for now, we're getting in there. It reads, P of t equals t squared minus 5. R of t equals 3t plus 1. S of t equals 2t squared plus t minus 5. I haven't even read the question yet. The polynomial functions p, r, and s are defined above. Which of the following is equivalent to 2p of t plus 3r of t minus 4s of t? Ugh! So many letters. I don't want there to be so many letters. Maybe I could just pick a number for t, and then I would know what these functions equaled for that number. I'm going to pick 2, because it's the only even prime number. No, just because it's simple and I like it. So let's start with p. What would p of 2 be? Well, that'd be 2 squared minus 5, so negative 1. What would r of 2 be? 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Alright, cool. So r of 2 is 7. What would s of 2 be? 2t squared, well, that's 2 times 4, 8. Plus 2 minus 5. Alright, 10 minus 5, 5. Great. So p of 2 is negative 1, r of 2 is 7, and s of 2 is 5. And they want to know which of the following is equivalent to 2p of t plus 3r of t minus 4s of t. But if t is 2, then I know what these functions equal. P of t was negative 1, so 2 times that is negative 2. R of t was 7, so 3 times that is 21. And s of 2 was 5, so 4 times that is 20. So I have negative 2 plus 21 minus 20. Negative 2 plus 21 is 19, minus 20 is negative 1. So I'm looking for negative 1. And I'm going to cross off all the answer choices that don't give me that. Let me start with A. Negative 6 times t squared. Well, t was 2, right? So negative 6 times 4 is negative 24. Plus 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 13. So that's negative 24 plus 10 gets me negative 14. Plus 13 gets me to negative 1. Holy smokes. All right, we got to check the other answer choices, because maybe 2 happens to work for multiple answer choices. But it's looking pretty good for A. Let's go to B. Negative 6t squared, we already know is 24, plus 10t, that's 10 times 2, which is 20. Negative 24 plus 20 gets us to negative 4, and then we got to do minus 9. Well, it's not going to get us to negative 1. It's going to be even more negative. So no, it's not B. Let's look at C. Again, negative 6t squared is negative 24, plus 13t. So that's negative 24 plus 26, 13 times 2. Gets us to positive 2. 2 minus 27, whoa, that's way too negative. It's going to be like negative 25. No thank you. So it's not C. And we go to D. Negative 10t squared. So that's negative 10 times 4, negative 40, minus 13 times 2, minus 26. And then it's going to be minus 33. This is way too negative. I'm only looking for negative 1. This is going to be like a big negative number. No thanks, D. So the answer must be A. Cool. Of course, you can just take the coefficients on those functions from the question itself and then distribute them across all the t terms and combine like terms and see what answer choice works. But I'd rather turn the problem into arithmetic. Picked a simple number for t, 2, and then solved for what would the answer be, negative 1. And then I eliminated all the answer choices that didn't give me that. Pretty cool. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? And if you have any questions about this problem or any others, feel free to hit me up in the comments below. Or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.